Hello, in this 1.20.1 Minecraft mod pack development video, we're going to be getting into how to use LootJS to remove specific loot items from loot tables. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or suggestions, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They're a fantastic video game serving host for especially Minecraft, but many other games as well. And there's plenty of great benefits like pre-installation of Minecraft mod packs, great customer support, latest hardware, good choice of server host locations, and advanced protection. So if you find this interesting, I highly recommend you check out my affiliate link in the description below. That will bring you to the website that I got the screenshot from, which has great information there that can help inform a possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get started with the video. So here we're going to be using the LootJS mod, so LootJS, and then specifically we're going to be using the modifiers. So we're going to pass in an event. So inside our callback, we're going to be using, in this case, since we want to remove loot from chest, we want to do event.add loot table modifier. And for the first example, we're going to be removing a particular item from any chest loot table. So to do that, we're going to use a regular expression. So if you copy this, Minecraft chest / period asterisk, and then finally a closing / you have your regular expression defined. And then we can add on the remove loot function, chain function, and it takes an item filter, but a rotten flesh, or just we're going to be using we're going to be removing rotten flesh, but just using an item ID string suffices. So Minecraft rotten flesh. The important thing to note here is that it's still going to show in JEI that that you get rotten flesh from whatever, whether it's dungeon or desert temple. But if you do the /loot command and obviously explore in world, then you're not going to have any issues. But we're going to do one last example here by removing a particular item from a particular chest. So we're going to do loot table modifier again, and instead of a regular expression, we're just going to pass in a loot table. So Minecraft, in this case, let's do Minecraft chest / we're going to do simple dungeon, so the small cube dungeons that have been in the game for a while. And then we're going to do remove loot, and then here we're going to remove the bone from the loot table. In addition, you can keep on chaining remove loot on and on as you want. So if you want to remove multiple things, you can do that as well. But if you found this video informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, subscribe to the channel, notifications on, and in addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.